Welcome to FameWord Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and this is the fourth video in the series of Java 19 programming. In the previous videos, I have discussed the introduction to language, comparison between C and Java, and also the comparison between C++ and Java. In this video, I will be discussing about the features and advantage of Java programming. This is very important video, so don't skip it. It is a really short video. Watch it till the end and understand these concepts. Because whenever you are studying a programming language, it's necessary to go through the basic details of that particular programming language. The investment of 5-6 minutes of your life will be helping you out throughout the life to maintain those concepts and retain those concepts into your minds. Okay, so the advantages of Java, if we talk about, so simply Java is a really very simple language. It is object-oriented programming language, distributed, portable, architectural neutral, robust, secure, multi-threaded, interpreted, and high performance. I am going to explain them individually. When we talk about object-oriented, so we will be discussing the OOPS concepts in very detail in this playlist only. So object-oriented programming is an approach and Java follows object-oriented programming approach. It is distributed language. Like the Java programming was actually created for the network-based purposes only. And network, you can say like internet-based softwares and all. So that's why it is distributed. Like the code which you create that can be distributed throughout the network very easily. It is having those features. Portability is simply that as it is a platform independent language, you can simply take your code from one system to another very easily. There will be no issues. Like as it in C and C++, there are the dependencies, but in Java, it is highly portable. It is architectural neutral. It does not depend, like simply it is not dependent on the system or the operating system which you are using. It is architectural neutral language. It is robust and secure and multi-threaded. So there is a concept of multi-threading in Java. We will be discussing it in very detail. And interpreted language. And interpreted language means the interpreter is used. Although this is a, like you can say, topic of discussion that when we talk about Java, it is known as interpreted language, but we are having the concept of JVM, that is the Java virtual machine. We shall discuss that concept in detail afterwards also in later videos. But yes, JVM stands for Java virtual machine, and it is having the concept of compiler and interpreter both. So in Java, for the translation purposes, interpreter and compiler both are used. And the performance of Java is high. It is very reliable language. It is mainly developed for the object-oriented network-based software for internet applications. As I said, that the different internet application like network-based application, it was created to use them. It was created to implement them. And it is providing level of security on network, and Java application bytecode run on any platform without any modification or recompilation. Like you do not have to worry about it if you are simply creating your program on any particular platform. Either it is Windows 10, Windows 11, Linux, Mac. It will be running on all the other platforms without any recompilation. So these are some advantages of Java. In the next video, we will talk about that why Java is known as architecture neutral language and how it is platform independent. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and press the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. Do not forget to like the video, comment your queries in the comment section, and see you all in the next video.